Hey everyone, welcome to your weekly Glam Guidance with Glam On Demand. Every Sunday we launch a new episode that can help anyone learn a little more about the beauty business. This week's Glam Guidance episode is about why does eyeliner and mascara transferred and how do I fix it? Let's get into it, but before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos each week. Okay, so eyeliner and mascara definitely can transfer, smudge, or smear due to a variety of reasons, such as oily skin, humidity, rubbing your eyes, or using the wrong type of product for your skin type. So here are a few tips to prevent and fix eyeliner and mascara transfer. Always use an eyeshadow primer. Applying your primer to your eyelid will create a smooth base for your eyeliner and mascara, preventing it from transferring. Make sure to use a waterproof eyeliner and mascara, but only on occasion, if you have oily skin or live in a humid environment. Waterproof eyeliner or mascara can prevent transfer. Use a setting spray. Once you've applied your eyeliner and mascara, you can use the setting spray to lock in your makeup and prevent more transfer. Apply powder to your eyelid. Applying a translucent powder to your lid before applying eyeliner and mascara can absorb any excess oil and prevent it from transferring. Use a Q-tip to clean up any smudges. If your eyeliner or mascara does transfer, use a Q-tip to gently clean up the smudge without removing all of your makeup. You can even use a dry spoolie to do the same. By following these tips, you can help prevent eyeliner and mascara transfer and enjoy your flawless makeup look. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you next week.